very exciting day as we break ground on a new CTE center, a state-of-the-art facility like no other in this region.
You know, this is a dream, not only my dream, but several members of our community. And now it's come to fruition. Now we've got this $90 million facilities coming up.
The school district strives to make our students college ready, career ready, and life ready. And I believe this facility and our community, the way they work together to bring this about, will serve all of that purpose.
It allows students to apply learning through hands-on and real-world experiences. It bridges the gaps between education and employers, and it prepares our students for the future.
This Career Technical Education Center represents a transformational investment in the future of Ector County and the entire Permian Basin.
We have accomplished so much already with career exploration and building relationships between our students and our local employees. And those efforts will continue to only get bigger and better.
It's going to make a major impact on students for decades to come.